For those of you that don't know me, my name is Kenny Black. I'm a comedian, and I'm proud to say I just got back. Yo, just got back from backstage. It's not easy. People they talk about artists, they perform things. See, when I go London, ladies and gentlemen, I see things say, you feel use American song, follow babe talk, without singing it. Just talk to the girl. Maybe the girl get under umbrella. Right before. You just go meet the girl. Say, hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you like to meet. The girl called me the guy. Excuse me, who are you? The guy can't reply. I'm a big boy. I'm a big boy. I drive Versace. I wear Versace. I drive because as the girl when they go, the girl come hold the girl and heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire universe. The girl called me the girl. Okay, I think you're romantic. If that is the case, you can stay under my umbrella. Ella. Have you ever gone to try these Nigerian songs? Maybe get them under umbrella for you. You just go with the girl. Was Wobby. Ladies come in, talk and do. I talk, I do. The girl goes, excuse me, who are you? The guy can't reply. Now bidi dong. Then the girl asks again, what are you doing under the rain? The girl can't reply. Johnny, leave me, follow Cynthia. And I don't know what to do. And he thought say, I don't do like the way Cynthia they do. I'm looking for my Johnny. The girl come with the girl and you don't need to look for Johnny. My love is Karate Congo. My love is Fura Dinono. Monica Laba. If I be the girl, I will shoot you, you will die them. I'm warning people. See rugged, very rugged man. Brush rugged. Brush rugged man. Brush that is shocky. Brush I hate no. Brush of life. I hate no. All my senior colleagues, everybody I hate no. And I hate the barman too. You guys are doing a good job. Rugged man, now in the rap, better rap. When rap starts, rugged man, at the year waiting in the talk. People they rap at the year waiting in the talk. But you get one song when they call trap song. We need the year waiting in the talk. I think we just go. That was single that news, eh? It's all like a single that yes, that dude, niggas dead. You call your chorus. I like a sound like a bell. Like a song like a that Joe. I like a song like a Zalu. What's in this song? You get one song where they call designer. They have a in the sun. Everybody they do their cover, then they blow. And we're waiting that they talk. Everybody goes, I am in the sun. And then some people go blow. Dream will do version. YC doing version. And we know the year waiting that they talk. So me, I'll do my version. Anything I talk, just talk she. Or E. So DJ play panda cover. Anything when I talk, just talk she. Or ye. I hear the Bakare enjoy. Just talk she or ye. Panda cover. Yes. Are you ready now? Yeah. Shit. Alright. Yeah. You know respect. When I rap the rap, you say yeah or shit. Yeah. I speak rhymes. Whatever I speak this now, all right. Yeah. Are you ready now? Even me say don't understand. But Ghana rap will be like that. Any Ghana rap is very, very simple. Apart from Sakodi. Sakodi rap is inside Ghana. But the native Ghana rap is that. Ghana rap simple. Make haven't tried do small Ghana rap. This is a black and a black Ghana. You go see Ghana rap, very, very simple. I think we just come stage. Yeah, video, let's go. Ghana rap. Yeah, that's good. Charlie, what I say? Me actually I do a small rap for you. What does? See, I said, when we start the place, we are thunders. They look up and say they want to bite us. I'm not the man like in a Titus. If they lie, I they lie, ask Festus. Festus. If they lie, I they lie, ask Festus. Festus. If they lie, I they lie, ask Festus. You know some money don't be problem. Tomato to one baby. Fred to one baby. What else? Simple. But it is not the same thing with Nigerian singers. Any song will come out, Nigerians go first to cover. Somebody do, hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet. Pasuma doing version. Hello, everybody. Should be California anymore white. See what is your Fujo, what I know, and from the other side, Jibala Oshie. They will sit in the sun. And they wouldn't imagine that they do Grammy Awards for Nigeria. They don't say, ladies and gentlemen, we're bringing to the stage Michael Bolton to do When a Man Loves a Woman. They're going to say, we'll feature somebody for the remix of When a Man Loves a Woman. We're going to feature King Wasiwa Inde. It will just sweet. Michael Bolton will just come. When a man loves a woman, he can think of nothing else. He showed the world for the good things he's done. King Wasiwa Inde. So, pretty mother come at you, you're that show. So if I like you see, I need to see, I need to very good. All of them they sing. Now the Igbos and then we pass. Igbos can spoil song. You get a song where they sing. After the reggae play the blues, they spoil them. After the reggae play the blues, reggae. Make you the way, make you do a song. Enjoy yourself, Daddy Boy. Hallelujah, if we are broke, they can sing any song. No more song, we are going to sing. And your mom will be this one now. Hey, your mom will be more. Hey, your mom will be more. No more information. No, the radio, ever. Oh, Papa, we will nobody. Now they can dance a pretty pass. Small can dance, listen. Don't jazz inside, small boy, that's what I'm saying. Don't jazz inside, small boy. Small boy song, biggie man. How? Small song. But the Igbos, that song is the simplest. Verse 1, 2 is the same thing. Verse 1 and 2, just sing the tone. Get this chorus. Wonderful, marvelous, and the ones of my love. Let's be tiny, everyone dancing, wonderful, marvelous, and the ones of my God. Let's be tiny. Now get verse 1 compared to the chorus. Wonderful, marvelous, and the ones. Where do we the difference? Igbo people go pick. See them, Igbo promises. Plus, Igbos go speak Yoruba song which they don't know. They go, we have a Yoruba song, it's called Nyeo. As you only sing, we up in Nyeo. Then they start. Látọjọ́ tí mo ti rìn Nyeo. Nyeo. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kò rí ìlú Jesus ṣe wọ́n dàdé wọ́n. Nyeo. Nyeo. Una go sing now. Látọjọ́ tí mo ti rìn. Everybody say. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kò rí ìlú Jesus. You know, your brethren, I am not here alone. I know it's my elder, Papa okay. Papa okay, I need you. That one was confident in years. I am here. For their minds, the different song they want to sing. Yeah, not the same song. Mama Okoro is taking the high notes, Papa Okoro is taking the low notes. They want to confuse your church. Mama Okoro. I need a miracle in my life. I need a miracle in my life. I kept the rugged mountains one day. I said I need a miracle. Papa Okoro, tell me what are you looking for, Papa Okoro? A miracle, a miracle, a miracle in my life. Who are lonely people? But right now, make I do this one. See, if you know this song, sing with me. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àpàlà ti sú finally. Ó ti kúrò ní ìtàtijọ́. Ìṣọ̀lá Adé. That man only collect 16.5. Olamide they collect 2.5 with beg. Olamide they go stage alone. After this is different. The man go play Onigogo, Onisakara, Olumide. He go play back up. Let the man say nothing wey Olamide sing. When he go sing. Let the man enter studio. Come on, come on, the Tarago, take go job. Olamide take out it. I wanna I can't tell my bone. Oh yeah, money, hey your mom, big one. Go for mesa, Lori radio, Lori tea. Olamide, oh bamba, really nobody. Oh yeah, shake it for bamba. Oh yeah, shake it for bamba. I want a Ferrari bamba. Oh yeah, money don't stop, baby. Tonight, they go say no sir, let us play song. There's only one here, Justin Bieber, sorry. Give me Justin Bieber, I can know. Girl, I know that I hurt you, babe. Is it too late to say sorry now? Sorry, baby. They say no sir, ladies want to twerk, they want to dance Rihanna. Only one here, work. Give me Rihanna, girl, no. Every day you work. But I will say this everywhere, but that is shaky. See our mentors here. Bros, when we say any song will come out from America, the Nigerians the first to cover. I think it's time for Americans to start doing our own cover. I'm gonna agree with me. When they start doing our own cover, how you go feel it like a bottle now come? Say, ladies and gentlemen, I love Nigerians. So I'm gonna do a song. It's called Porokoto Poko by Flavor and Wafe Kolale. Reminisce. DJ play Niger cover. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Michael Bolton. Yeah. Michael Bolton just come on stage. Flavor Nabani, I see you. Parakotel. Papa. Reminisce. Alaga Bilo. See you. Afek Kulale. Special dedication to them. Yeah. You ready, Nigerians? First of its kind. Michael Bolton. Remix. DJ Khaled, let's go. Very simple. You go sit, Abi. You go sit. But what was Rugged Man? I never see him since. Please, let him come. Let him come. It's one of my son, a woman, God, please. What's my son?